Hello, here's a short presentation about the English language and English literature courses at GCSE. As a core subject, it's compulsory for everyone to study both subjects up to the age of 16. My name's Mrs Saesneg, I'm Head of Department, and both myself and Miss Tina MacDonald will take you through the presentation.
Dyma gyflwyniad byr o gyrsiau TGAU llenyddiaeth a iaith Saesneg. Fel pwnc craidd, mae'n orfodol hyd at ddiwedd blwyddyn 11. Dyma Mrs Saesneg, pennaeth adran, a fi, Miss Tina MacDonald, fydd yn eich hebrwng drwy'r cyflwyniad.
And here we are, all the members of the English department. Many of you will have seen us at parents' evenings.
A dyma ni, aelodau'r adran efo'n gilydd.
As you can see, the English language course is for 2 years, and this is to build up skills and maturity in order to respond to the challenges of the exam paper. Many tasks will be familiar to pupils, as we've created a solid foundation at Key Stage 3 which is ready to be built on and taken further.
Fel y gwelwch, cwrs 2 flynedd ydy'r TGAU mwyn datblygu sgiliau ac ymateb I heriau y papur arholiad. Mae llawer o'r tasgau wedi bod yn rhan o'n gwaith trwy gydol cyfnod allweddol 3, felly fydd yn adnabyddus iawn I chi.
There are 3 units in the English language exam, and the final GCSE language grade is based on completing these units. Unit 1 is oracy, or speaking and listening, and there are 2 reading and writing units.
Bydd y gradd terfynol yn seiliedig ar 3 uned. Llafar, darllen ac ysgrifennu.
Unit 1 oracy. There are 2 tasks to complete in this unit, an individual presentation and a group task. We normally set the individual task at the end of Year 10. The group task topics are set by the YDC at the beginning of Year 11. And we then decide when it's the best time to take the exam, and this can vary from year to year. All the assessments are recorded in order for us to moderate the work as a department, and then they're sent for external moderation to the examiners.
Uned 1 llafar, mae 2 dasg I gwblhau, unigol a gwaith grŵp. Fel arfer, ar ddiwedd blwyddyn 10 fydd y tasg unigol yn cael ei gwblhau. A bydd cybac yn dewis testyn y dasg grŵp. Mae pob tasg yn cael ei recordio gan cybac.
Time is given in class and at home to prepare for these tasks.
Bydd amser yn cael ei benodi adre ac yn y dosbarth mwyn paratoi at y dasg yn drwyadl.
All pupils will sit the external exams at the end of Year 11. Pupils will have been prepared with similar tasks and mock exams before their final exam.
Bydd pob disgybl yn sefyll yr arholiad allanol ar ddiwedd blwyddyn 11. Bydd ffug arholiadau yn paratoi pawb at rhain.
We use a variety of different topics to cover the skills which should appeal to all learners, such as extreme sports, tattoos, litter, mountain biking and food banks, to name just a few.
Defnyddiwyd amrywiaeth o bynciau gwahanol, fel chwaraeon eithafol, tatws, ysbwriel, beicio mynydd a bancia bwyd, wbath at ddant pawb.
For the English literature course, we have 4 lessons a week to study English itself, and in that time we divide the lessons into language and literature. Most pupils are awarded 2 GCSEs at the end of Year 11, 1 for English language and 1 for English literature.
Mae 4 gwers yr wythnos yn cael ei rhannu rhwng iaith a llenyddiaeth Saesneg. Bydd rhan fwyaf o ddisgyblion yn ennill 2 TGAU erbyn diwedd blwyddyn 10, sef 1 mewn iaith ac 1 mewn llenyddiaeth.
For English literature, Unit 1 external exam is taken at the end of Year 10. It's a 2-hour exam divided into 2 sections. Section A is based on the novel and section B is based on some unseen poetry.
Mae uned 1 yn cael ei rannu i 2 ddarn y nofel ac cymharu cerddi. Mae'r arholiad allanol yn parhau am 2 awr ar ddiwedd blwyddyn 10.
Here's a little more information about the external exams and the texts that we read.
Dyma mwy o wybodaeth am yr arholiadau allanol.
Pupils are entered for either a higher or foundation tier for English literature. Unit 3 is based on 2 pieces of non-examination assessment or school-based coursework. The poetry comparison is usually taken in Year 10 and the Shakespeare play is studied in Year 11. However, these can be subject to change.
Mae unau haen sylfaen neu haen uwch yn uned 3 llenyddiaeth. Gwaith cwrs fydd cymharu cerddi a hefyd astudio drama gan William Shakespeare.
We've studied the plays of Romeo and Juliet, Macbeth, King Lear, Merchant of Venice and The Tempest. The exam board sets a different theme on a yearly basis, and we use this theme to decide on which play we can study.
Rydym wedi astudio yn y gorffennol Romeo and Juliet, Macbeth, King Lear, Merchant of Venice, Tempest, ac mae'r cybac yn gosod thema i'r dasg yma mwyn cwblhau'r uned.
So thank you for listening, and please get in touch if you have any questions, and we very much look forward to seeing you all in Year 10.
Diolch am wrando. Edrychwn ymlaen yn arw eich croesawu i flwyddyn 10.